गोप्यौचुः मैवं विभोर्हति भवान् गदितुं नृशंसं सन्त्यज्य सर्वविषयांस्तव पादमूलम् भक्ता भजस्व दुरवग्रह मा त्यजास्मान् देवो यथादिपुरुषो भजते मुमुक्षून् यत्पत्यपत्यसुहृदाम् अनुवृत्तिरङ्ग स्त्रीणां स्वधर्म इति धर्मविधात्वयोक्तम् अस्त्वेवमेतदुपदेश पदे त्वयीशे प्रेष्टो भवांस्तनुभृतां किल बन्धुरात्मा कुर्वन्ति हि त्वयि रतिं कुशला स्व आत्मन् नित्यप्रिये पतिसुतादिभिरार्तिदैक्यम् तन्न प्रसीद परमेश्वर मा स्म चिन्त्या आशामृतां त्वयि चिरात् अरविन्दनेत्रा चित्तं सुखेन भवता परतं गृहेषु यन्निर्विशत्युतकरावपि गृह्य कृत्ये पादौ पदं न चलतस्तव पादमूलात् यामः कथं व्रजमतो करवाम किं वा सिञ्चाङ्गनस्त्वधरामृतपूरकेन हासावलोककलगीत जहृच्छयाग्निं नो चेद्वयं विरहजाग्नि उपयुक्तदेहा ध्यानेन यामपदयो पदवीं सखेते यर्ह्यम्बुजाक्ष तव पादतलं रमाय दत्तक्षणं क्वचिदरण्यजनप्रियस्य अस्प्राक्ष्मतत्प्रभृति नान्य समक्षमङ्गः स्थातुं त्वयाभिरमिता बत पारयाम श्रीर्यत्पदाम्बुजरजश्चकमे तुलस्या लब्ध्वापि वक्षसि पदं किल भृत्यजुष्टम् यस्यास्ववीक्षणकृतेन्य सुरप्रयासः तद्वद्वयं च तव पाद रजः प्रपन्नाः तन्नः प्रसीद वृजिनार्दन तेऽङ्घ्रिमूलम् प्राप्ता विसृज्य वसतिस्त्वदुपासनाशा त्वत्सुन्दरस्मितनिरीक्षणतीव्रकामा तप्तात्मनां पुरुषभूषण देहि दास्यम् वीक्ष्यालकावृतमुखं तव कुण्डलश्री गण्डस्थलाधरसुधं हसितावलोकम् दत्ताभयं च भुजदण्डयुगं विलोक्य वक्षश्रियैकरमणं च भवामदास्यः कास्त्र्यङ्गते कलपदायत मूर्छितेन सम्मोहितार्यचरितान् चले त्रिलोक्यां त्रैलोक्यसौभगमिदं च निरीक्ष्य रूपं यद्गोद्विजद्रुममृग पुलकान्यबिभ्रन् व्यक्तं भवान् व्रजभयार्ति हरोऽभिजातो देवो यथादिपुरुषः सुरलोकगोप्ता तन्नो निदेहि करपङ्कजम् आर्तबन्धो तप्तस्तनेषु च शिरसु च किङ्करीणाम्. Srimad Bhagavatam, Dashamaskandam, Chapter 29, Pranaya Geetam, The Love That Leaves Everything Behind. One night in Vrindavana, Krishna played his flute. The sound was so sweet and magical that it filled the hearts of the young gopis with deep love. They were so attracted to him that they left everything, milking cows, cooking, feeding babies, and serving their families, and ran to meet him even while still getting dressed. Some gopis couldn't leave their homes, but they closed their eyes and remembered Krishna with pure love. Their longing was so strong that it burned away all their past karma, and they felt his presence in their hearts. When the gopis arrived, Krishna greeted them kindly, but he also tested their love by asking them to go back home and take care of their families. The gopis replied with deep emotion. In verses 31 to 41, they explained that their love for Krishna was not ordinary. It was pure and selfless. They did not come for wealth, praise, or even to escape suffering. They came only because they loved him and wanted to be with him. They told Krishna that he is the soul of all living beings and the only true shelter. Serving him is their highest duty. Even if he seems distant, they cannot go back because their hearts belong to him. Their love is so deep that being away from him is unbearable. These verses show the gopis' strong and pure devotion. They teach us that the highest path in spiritual life is to love God with a clean and selfless heart. Gopyauchuhu maivam vibhorhati bhavan gaditum drishamsam santyajya sarva vishayam stava padamulam bhakta bhajasva duravagraha matyajasman devo yathadi purusho bhajate mumukshun. The lovely gopis said, O Almighty One, please don't speak so harshly. Don't turn us away. We have given up all worldly pleasures just to serve your lotus feet with love. Please respond to our devotion, just like Lord Narayana cares for those who seek freedom through serving him. Yatpatyapatya suhridam anuvrittiranga strinam swadharma iti dharma vidatvayoktam astvevam yetadupadesha pade tvayishe preshto bhavam stanubhratam kila bandhuratma. Dear Krishna, you are wise in religious teachings, and you told us that a woman's duty is to serve her husband, children, and family. We understand and respect this idea, but we believe that this service should be offered to you instead. You are the closest friend of every living being. You are our true family, and you are our very soul. Kurvanti hi tvairatim kushala swa atmanne nitya priye pati sutadi virarti daikyam tanna prasida parameshwara masma chintya asham dhritam tvai chirad aravinda netra. O Lord, those who are wise and spiritually awakened always offer their love to you, knowing that you are their true self and eternal beloved. The joy of serving you is far greater than anything this world can offer. Even the duties toward husbands, children, and relatives, though meaningful, can sometimes pull the heart away from you. Our hearts long only for your presence. Please be kind to us, O Supreme Controller, O Lotus-eyed One. Don't turn us away or break the hope we have held so dearly, the hope of being with you and serving you with all our love. Chitta नित्यं सुखेन भवतापहृतं गृहेषु यन्निर्विशत्युतकरावपि गृह्य कृत्ये पादौ पदं न चलतस्तव पादमूलात् यामः कथं व्रजमतो करवाम किं वा. The gopis said, "Until now, our minds were busy with household work, but you have captured our hearts and even pulled our hands away from our chores. Now we cannot take a single step away from your lotus feet. How can we go back to Vraja? What would we do there without you?" सिञ्चाङ्गनस्त्वदरामृतपूरकेन हासावलोककलगीतजहृच्छयाग्निं नो चेद्वयं विरहजाग्नि उपयुक्तदेहा ध्यानेन यामपदयो पदवीं सकेते. The gopis said, "Dear Krishna, your smile and flute have set our hearts on fire. Please cool this fire with the sweetness of your lips. If you don't, we will burn in the pain of missing you and reach your lotus feet through deep meditation." Yarhyam bhujakshatav padatalam ramaya dattakshanam kvachidaranyajanapriyasya अस्प्राक्ष्मतत् प्रभृतिनान्यसमक्षमङ्गः स्थातुं स्वयाभिरमिता बत पारयामा. The gopis said, "O lotus-eyed Lord, even Lakshmi Mata, the goddess of fortune, feels great joy when she touches your lotus feet. You are loved by the forest dwellers, and we too long to touch your feet. Once we do, our hearts will be so fulfilled by you that we won't be able to stand near anyone else." Shriryat padambujarajash chakame tulasya labdvapi vakshasi padam kilabhrityajushtam yasya svavikshana utanya suraprayasah तद्वद्वयं च तव पाद रजः प्रपन्नाः. The gopis said, "Lakshmi Mata, the goddess of fortune, is always on Lord Narayana's chest, and even the demigods long for her glance. Still she desires the dust from his lotus feet, even though she shares it with Tulasi Devi and many other servants. In the same way, we have come to take shelter at the dust of your lotus feet." Tanna prasida vrijinardana tengrimulam prapta visrijya vasati stvadupasanasha tvatsundarasmita nirikshana tivra kama taptatmanam purushabhushana dehi dasyam. The gopis said, "O remover of all sorrow, please be kind to us. We left our homes and families just to come to your lotus feet. We want nothing else but to serve you. Your sweet smile has filled our hearts with deep longing. O most precious one, please accept us as your maid servants." Vikshya vratamukham तव कुण्डलश्री गण्डस्थलाधरसुधं हसितावलोकं दत्ताभयं च भुजदण्ड युगं विलोक्य वक्षश्रियैकरमणं च भवामदास्य. The gopis said, "When we see your lovely face, curly hair, sweet smile, and strong arms, our hearts feel safe and full of love. Even Lakshmi Mata finds joy in your chest. That's why we want to be your maid servants." Kastriyangate kalapadayata venugita सम्मोहितार्यचरितान् चलेत् त्रिलोक्यां त्रैलोक्यसौभगमिदं च निरीक्ष्य रूपम् यद्गोद्विजद्रुममृग पुलकान्यबिभ्रन्. Dear Krishna, your flute's sweet sound makes everyone forget everything. Your beauty brings joy to the whole world. Even cows, birds, trees, and deer feel happy and shiver with love when they see you. Vyaktam bhavan braja bhayarti haro bhijato devo yathadi purusha suraloka gopta तन्नो निधेहि करपङ्कजम् आर्तबन्धो तप्तस्तनेषु च शिरसु च किङ्करीणाम्. You came to this world as the protector to take away the fear and pain of the people of Raja, just like the Supreme Lord protects the gods in heaven. So, O friend of the suffering, please place your lotus hand on our heads and accept us as your maid servants. Gopika Jeevana Smaranam Govinda Govinda.